This is an instructional video for the operation of the Holland Vehicle Restraint System. Loading. Turn pedals downward 90 degrees to disengage. Place VRS in grading. Make sure the ramp of the VRS is 3/4 of an inch or closer to the tire. Chock should be flat with the grading. The lateral paddle must be on the inside of the tire. With the pedals unlocked, bring the strap over the wheel. Attach the hook to the grating. Lock the chock to the grating by turning the pedals 90 degrees so that the red pedals are flat with the grating and the green pedals are sticking up. Lightly tug on the handle to make sure the chock is engaged. Again, check to make sure the chock is flat with the grating. The rubber cleat and hook should be centered on the tire, with the cleat being at the top of the tire. Notice how the strap is centered with the tire. Unloading. Turn the pedals to unlock and release the hook. Let the strap retract back into the chock and remove. Make sure the lower set of teeth engage into the storage plate. With the pedals unlocked, place the chock on the storage plate, pushing it all the way back. Lock the chock to the plate by rotating the pedals 90 degrees upward so that the red pedals are flat with the plate and the green pedals are sticking out toward you. Check to make sure the chock is properly engaged to the storage plate by lightly tugging on the handle. Do's and don'ts. There is too much gap from the ramp of the chock to the tire. The ramp of the chock is snug to the tire, minimizing potential vehicle movement. The rubber cleat is not centered on top of the tire. The rubber cleat needs to be centered with the top of the tire. The tire cleat should not be too close to the edge of the tread of the tire. Make sure the rubber cleat sits in the centermost tire groove. When attaching the hook to the grating, the strap should not come off the tire at an angle. The hook and the strap should be vertical to the grating. The chock system should never span the split in the grating. Correct application. The paddle is to the inside of the tire. There is proper clearance from the ramp to the tire. The strap is vertical and centered with the tire. The tire cleat is centered at the top of the tire and centered in the tread groove. There is a continuous grading panel spanning the VRS chock, tire, and hook.